Today our video is about the most common tense in English, which is called the present simple. Let's speak about the present simple with Omar Mukhtar. Let's go now. So what about the present simple? If you check, you're going to ask yourself the first question, which is, when do we use the present simple? We use the present simple for a habit. What does this mean, a habit? Something that you do in a regular way. Like the example, I play tennis every day. So this is number one. And then the second one for a general truth. What does mean a general truth? Yes, excellent, like this example, which is the sun rises in the east. It's a truth class. And then for the third one, for, yes, a timetable. Like this one, the train leaves at 3 p.m. And then for the fourth one, for a fact. Like here, this sentence, if you read it, you're going to know that it's a fact. It doesn't change. Like water boils at 100 degrees Celsius. So one more time, when do we use the present simple? The first one for a habit, the second one for a truth, and then the third one for the timetable, and then the fourth one, which is for a fact. So now, mister, I can tell you now when do we use the present simple, but we still have another question, which is, how can I form the present simple? Here is the idea now about the form. And the form is so easy. When you find now he and she and it, let me write here. So here for she, and then the second one, which is he, and then the third one, which is it. What should I do? And then I have the verb. I'm going to add to the verb s, and then or es, and then the third choice, which is ies. One more time, like the example, he plays football, and then if you check, here is I have he, and then what do I add? S. And then the second one, she dances. The same idea also related to she. But Mr. Please, how can I differentiate between when do I use s and when do I use what? Es. And if you check class, you're going to find that we have a lot of cases in which we add es to the verb. If my verb ends with sh, or maybe also ch, or x, yes, or o, and then let me give you also another example. When you have a verb like wash, when you have a verb like watch, when you have a verb like fix, when you have a verb like go. So here, but take care, yes, when you have here what? Yes, a singular one, yes, but a singular what? Related to he and she and it. So if my verb ends with sh, ch, x, and then o, and then another one when a verb ends with what? With s, like a verb pass. So here also, these are the cases in which we are going to our verb. When we have he and she and it, we add what class? Es. And then for the third one, which is the case in which we are going to add ies, we have a full video related to this case, but next time. The idea this time, class, to what? To know when do we use the present simple, and then also how can I form the present simple related to adding both s and es, and get ready for the third time, for the second time, I'm sorry, in which we are going to speak about what? How to add what? How to add the ies. If you check more, you're going to know how to form the negative form and also how to form the question. But that's it for our video today. It's enough to know both the first one, which is when do we use the present simple, and then the second one, how to form the present simple. Just two cases, yes, by adding s or adding es. But for the second time, we're going to complete more information related to the present simple. Waiting for you next time. Bye.